everyone, welcome back to Touch to Click. In today's video, I'll show you how to play 4K video smoothly in VLC Media Player so you can enjoy Ultra HD videos without lag or stuttering. Now let's get started. Step 1. Open VLC Media Player on your computer. Then click on Tools from the top menu and select Preferences from the drop-down list. This section allows you to control playback and performance settings. It is important because adjusting these options can improve 4K video performance. Step 2. At the bottom left of the Preferences window, click on Show Settings and select All to unlock Advanced Settings. Then go to Input Codecs, open Video Codecs, and click on FFmpeg. These advanced codec settings help control how high-resolution videos are processed. Step 3. In the FFmpeg section, find the hardware decoding option and click the drop-down menu to select Disable. Disabling hardware decoding can improve playback if your graphics card does not fully support 4K decoding. This helps VLC handle video processing more smoothly. Step 4. Go back to Input Codecs from the left panel and scroll down until you find File Caching, MS. Increase the value to 1000 or higher to allow VLC to preload more video data into memory. This reduces buffering and helps prevent stutter during playback. Step 5. After making all the changes, click on Save at the bottom of the window. Close VLC Media Player completely and reopen it to apply the new settings. Restarting ensures the changes take effect properly. Thank you for watching. And don't forget to subscribe to Touch to Click for more helpful videos.